if you want to set up a face unlock on OnePlus 15, what you need to do is we need to go to settings. Now over here in settings, we're gonna go to the security and privacy. And then in here, you should be able to find device unlock. To be able to set up the face unlock, we need to have a screen lock password, so keep that in mind. Then we're gonna go to face and fingerprint unlock, and now we're gonna choose face. Over here, we need to tap on agree, enter the screen lock password, and then we need to press add now. And for best results, we should hold our phone 20 to 50 centimeters away from your face. So keep that in mind. So let's go ahead. Of course, now we have the front camera and we need to position our face within the front camera over here. Now the phone should scan your face pretty quickly. Then you will see that the face has been added. So now we can of course tap on done. We also have some settings for the face recognition, so you can go through them if needed. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.